Missed a packages because you weren't home? Yeah, me too, but since getting my Ring Battery Doorbell, I haven't had that issue. Let me show you why. First off, this baby gives you 66% more vertical coverage. So if someone's sneaking around, you'll catch them no problem. Plus, with live view and two-way talk, you can chat with delivery guys like you're actually home. Installing was literally snap and done. No wires, just clip it on and stay connected through your phone. And the built-in battery means no constant swapping out batteries. Just charge via USB-C, easy peasy. Honestly, feeling secure has never been this effortless. If peace of mind is your thing, grab yours today and see what you've been missing.